Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to interact with video. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Figma, you can add or interact with video using the built-in video or prototype features. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type figma.com to load Figma. Then once the Figma is loaded, what you need to do is open up the project that you are working on. Then in order to make an interactive video, what you need to do is simply drag the video right here from the destination where you have downloaded the video. Let me just drag this video right here. Then once you do it, all you gotta do is simply set the video in one frame. Then tap on the video. Let me just assume this is the video, and once you click on it here on the right hand sidebar, you'll find an option that says playback. On the playback, simply click on play on click. Play automatically or leave video according to your preference, and select fit or fill for sizing, and manage corner radius, opacity and blend modes like this. Then what you can do now is set prototype interactions with video. Let me assume this is the video right here. Now in order to make interactive interactions, what you can do is simply click a button right here like this, and then type in get started. And then once you do that, what you need to do is simply select the prototype on the right hand sidebar. Then once you do that, you'll find this plus icon right here. Simply drag that to the next page, and on tapping you'll find options like trigger on tap, action to navigate to the page, and destination is the next frame. And then once that's done, what you need to do is to simply tap on play, and then as you tap on play, the first frame will be shown, and as you click on that, you'll be transferred to the next frame where the video is present, and all you gotta do is click on that video to play it or interact it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.